Hey guys, what's up? It's Landon Gamer here, and today we're joined by a new bro. He's new. His name is Theo Gamer. Oh, and he's a little too funny. He's on the funny side. What the? I have no idea. No, wait, guys, wait. I'm gonna do something funny. Oh yeah! I'm so excited. Let's go, Chuck. Truck. Oh, two more people. Mom. Yeah, we actually are. On my computer. Oh, here we are. Let's just sit back and no, we have to try to find some stuff. No, I'm too scared. I'm just gonna stay in. No. Okay, okay, wait. Stop, please. No, please. No. Let's actually stay in here, and when it's time to tell scary stories. Wait, do you? Oh, so I'm just gonna stay here, and remember the cave is all the way over there. I hope one of the food does. I hope the food doesn't get poisoned or. Imagine if that actually happens. Okay, so remember the cave is all the way over there. Yeah. Just sit back and relax, guys. I'm gonna do something funny and don't look at my screen. Well, yeah, we're sitting right next to each other on my Xbox. We failed a video and murder mystery, which I don't know also Landon will do one for 50. So if you guys manage to do that, we will do a space review. But right now we're just gonna do I'm just gonna do a bunch of Roblox. 1999. It was a dark, stormy night. Oh no, guys. No, okay. No, let's start. I'm heading over there. Yeah. Wait, I can't get off. Okay, yes, I can. Let's just start heading to the cave. Let's just stay in it. We would probably die since. Oh, bro, are you okay? This is my light. Guys, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you. So look, guys. See more? Very nice. Do you see those people over there? Okay, guys. Guys, my computer. So it's gonna be which way? Wait, what? Wait, how did she get one? Hello, campfire. Hi. No, she copied your name. Freebie. No. Oh, yeah. Wait, that's just random. I'm furry. Come to my house. What's up, my dude? Go. Oh, it is? Let's just follow everyone. Go. Run. Okay, yeah, the well. Yes. We have to escape that thing. The cave's over here. Fall. It's raining, it's pouring, the orbit is pouring. He fell off and he got a giant bump on his head. Wait, just let me see him. Yeah.
The light is killing me. I'm getting hanged by a light. Oh.
Did you see what I said?
Oh, the very nice fan. My hand.
It's a monster.
My hand is getting chopped off.
Well, I don't care. I'm standing on it. It's John Cena time, John. Dun, dun, dun.
I'm not gonna be the one.
It's already. Hello?
Oh, somebody.
Sheep?
I don't know that.
Sheep, are you feeling good right now?
Stop risking the light.
It's already been 6 minutes. Oh, no. You guys could see that. That was not supposed to happen. Just ignore it. Okay, just. Guys, you could see it. You know when it's time to stop. Oh. Oh no! One of the tents collapsed. Well, and I also like the blue one more. I think it has rat poison in it or something. Wait, for real? But seriously, what is that supposed to be? Can I keep that? So can I have this so I can just take all the sandwiches? Bushes do not grow on trees. Oh, we have to go see the guy that. We have to go see that dead deer. It might be kind of disturbing though, guys. Park Ranger Daniel. We believe a fire has been killing off the deer population in the camping grounds. It has become a campground problem for us. We plan to have all of these bear traps set up. Bear traps set up on nightfall.
It looks like a diamond.
Be careful for the. Okay, I don't care. Oh, you're stepping in the bear traps. You're gonna die. I'm just gonna. Haha, dear, you're dead. Haha, you're dead.
I'm gonna poop on it. Wait,
I know.
I just want to climb up. I know where it's like this way from the backpack and the tent.
It's gonna start raining. I'm just gonna go into the tent. Oh yeah, nothing.
Can I make a wish?
No.
Can I go down there?
No. Night is approaching. Everybody, get inside tent.
We should sleep in the cave.
I mean cave, not tent. What is wrong with me? It's nighttime. You decide to stay in the cave tonight. There is not enough room for everyone in the tent. Tonight is another stormy. 1999. It was a dark, stormy night. Inside the house was a werewolf, and the werewolf was fat. I just said the werewolf was fat. 1999. Okay. Oh no! Suddenly, I'm gonna say I ain't getting it.
We can starve. I don't want to go.
Okay.
Listen to
I ain't getting it. Should it be me and you, Theo?
No. Wait. To the views. 3,
2,
2, 1.
Scroll.
Go.
I'll get it.
Come on, go. Run. I'm very low. It's this way.
Yes, jump.
I'm gonna die. Yes, at least I got a silver.
The cave. I'm gonna survive. I survived! Please don't see my... I'm not gonna eat it since I don't want my sandwich to be poisoned.
Wait. You poisoned these.
No?
Wait, then how do you know that's gonna be poisoned?
I don't know. I'm just guessed.
Because of that weird backpack.
Yeah.
No, good thing.
Please don't be one of us.
Wait.
Who's it gonna be?
You.
You dared.
At least it wasn't me.
Or me. I have to recover my health. Well,
Yeah.
we saved the whole team.
Yeah, we deserve. Even though we're probably not gonna. We deserve.
Because of the bear. I'm saying the bear. We only have 4 more minutes left.
Basically.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go fast.
I think here's the...
No!
Wait, what happened? Well, at least I'm still in it for the viewers.
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go say I did the rain.
Rocks of the black hole of the caves. Yes! Okay, FBI, open up.
Oh no, we might not have enough time to record it. Oh no.
If you do, I'll continue. FBI, open up. Oh, yes. Which one is it?
Choose the right one. That's all I'm gonna say.
Let me just see. I did it!
Oh my god.
Hello? Bear.
So our part 2 might be on shark fight. Should we do that, Landon? Part 2 on shark fight?
No, I think we should do it up here.
Wait, part 2 on there?
No, on
Silver?
no, on this.
On this again?
Yeah.
Do we do this again?
No, we just cut into the part where we get, oh no, here's the bear one. I don't survive the bear one.
Oh,
That scared me so bad. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Same with me.
Check out our next video on part